Is your brain always noisy like a broken market?
Racing thoughts keep you from focusing or sleeping.
Quiet!
Tried white noise?
Too sharp!
But for many, it's too sharp and causes headaches. Try brown noise. Brown noise has low frequencies, deep like thunder, or it acts like a heavy sound blanket, silencing all brain clutter. Extremely effective for ADHD or anxiety.
Enter deep focus mode.
Or sleep better by masking background noise. Nothing can disturb your sleep.
Unlike harsh white noise, brown noise is soothing and deep.
Boost creativity and problem solving.
Search brown noise on YouTube or Spotify now.
Prepare for a trip to deep sleep. Subscribe for more brain hacks.